The Honda Zero Saloon 2026 model functions as a next-generation electric sedan built around a software-first philosophy, and this script describes its core systems, behaviors, and user interactive functions in a smooth narrative form. The vehicle operates through an adaptive drive management layer that continuously monitors road conditions, driver input patterns, and environmental data to optimize performance. Its electric propulsion unit uses a dual-motor architecture that automatically adjusts torque distribution to maintain balance, efficiency, and stability, even during quick lane changes or heavy acceleration. The regenerative braking sequence activates the moment the driver eases off the accelerator, feeding energy back into the battery pack, while keeping the deceleration curve smooth enough for passengers to remain comfortable. One of the car's most refined functions is its predictive range intelligence. This system evaluates route elevation, expected weather, battery temperature, and traffic flow to calculate real-time range estimates that remain accurate within a narrow error margin. If the forecast predicts a steep temperature drop or increased wind resistance, the system sends a soft alert and offers an optimized driving mode designed to preserve charge. Drivers can choose sport, normal, or eco modes, but the car also includes an auto mode where it makes its own decisions based on upcoming travel patterns. When sport mode is enabled, throttle response sharpens, steering weight increases slightly, and the dual motor synchronized to deliver instant acceleration with a controlled, grounded feel. In contrast, eco mode relaxes throttle sensitivity and prioritizes power-saving algorithms, making the car ideal for city commuting. The interior functions revolve around a clean, screen-driven interface powered by Honda's 2026 UX platform. Natural speech voice recognition lets the driver modify climate settings, adjust navigation, or activate safety features without touching the console. The ambient cabin monitoring function uses biometric sensors to detect driver fatigue, posture stiffness, or elevated stress levels. If signs of fatigue appear, the system suggests a rest stop, lowers cabin lighting, or activates a focused cooling breeze near the driver's shoulders. The Zero Saloon also includes a customizable drive persona system that remembers seating position, mirror angles, display layout, and preferred driving mode for each registered user, automatically loading their profile the moment they enter with a recognized key or smartphone signal. Safety scripts in the Honda Zero Saloon 2026 are built around the Honda Guardian Suite, an upgraded sensor cluster combining LiDAR, high-resolution radar, thermal imaging, and wide-angle cameras. The vehicle continuously maps its surroundings within a 360-degree radius, predicting potential hazards rather than simply reacting to them. When an object approaches too fast, the collision mitigation function gently primes the braking system, tightens seat belts by a few millimeters, and alerts the driver through a subtle steering vibration. Lane-keeping functions now operate with smoother micro-adjustments, reducing the pulling sensation found in older systems. During heavy rain or fog, the thermal and LiDAR sensors maintain visibility to ensure the adaptive cruise system stays reliable even when cameras face limitations. Another notable function is the dynamic navigation assistant. It not only calculates routes but anticipates bottlenecks, construction zones, and variable speed limit corridors, adjusting the driving plan before the driver reaches those points. The system integrates with the car's energy management algorithms to ensure that any recommended charger stops fall within a comfortable buffer, reducing range anxiety. The charging function itself supports ultra-fast charging, and the system manages battery temperature in real time to preserve long-term health. When plugged in, the vehicle can run a smart home-style energy feedback script, allowing the owner to power household circuits during outages or return stored energy to the grid during peak demand periods. Finally, the exterior lighting system operates with an adaptive beam function that changes shape, color, temperature, and intensity depending on speed, road type, and weather conditions. The car communicates subtle signals to pedestrians by adjusting front light patterns, enhancing safety in crowded areas. Every major system in the Honda Zero Saloon 2026 works together through a unified operating core, making the sedan feel less like a machine and more like an intelligent travel partner that constantly observes, adjusts, and enhances the driving experience.